Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix We Are Still Gathering Your Data error on Spotify, stats and recap delay fix. To fix the We Are Still Gathering Your Data error on Spotify, you must determine whether you are seeing it as an artist on Spotify for artists or as a regular listener trying to view your listening stats slash recap. This message usually indicates a normal background data processing delay on Spotify's server, but local cache bugs can also trigger it. Fixes for Spotify for artists. Change the data range in web browser URL. This is popular community workaround. Open Spotify for artists in a desktop browser, click on the audience or music slash song tab, and change the date range filter. Look at the browser address bar. The URL will change to include the dates. Manually edit the dates directly in the URL to your desired time frame and press enter to force the data to load. Next, check the web dashboard instead of mobile. The mobile app updates slower than the desktop web portal. So log in to your dashboard via a browser to check if your stats have cleared. Understand the 24 to 48-hour processing rule. Spotify updates statistics overnight, typically with a 1 day 24-hour delay. It is completely normal for processing to take up to 2 or 3 days during high traffic period or weekends. Next, contact artist support. If the error persists for more than 4 days and no data loads, submit a ticket directly to Spotify for artist support to resolve a stuck account profile. Fixes for listeners, stats and recap delays. Clear the Spotify app cache. Open Spotify and tap your profile icon. From there, select Settings and Privacy and scroll down to Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. This will not delete your downloaded tracks. Ensure the 30-second rule is met. Spotify does not track or count a song in your listening statistics unless you play the track for at least 30 seconds. Skipping songs too quickly will leave your recap data empty. Check for excluded playlist. Spotify allows you to exclude specific playlists from your taste profile. If you are listening heavily to the playlist you exclude, none of those songs or hours will register in your listening stats, resulting in a data delay error. Update or reinstall Spotify. Check your device's app store to ensure you are running the newest software version. If it is up to date, log out, uninstall the app completely, restart your device, and reinstall it to restore server synchronization. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.